Welcome to our fourth edition of Blended Intensive program under the scheme of Erasmus+. This year we actually host students from Serbia, Spain, Lithuania and Slovenia. And also for the first time we are very happy to host students from non-European countries, including Salvador, Jordan and Bosne and Hercegovina.
When I found out that there was the MediaXperience Autumn School opportunity, I thought it was a good chance to meet new people and learn useful skills by experienced professionals.
Everybody's really friendly, everybody is collaborating with talking, and I think Maribor is a really beautiful people, really young people also.
I really like Maribor. It's a beautiful city. I fell in love like this.
When I researched, I saw that Maribor has a lot of culture and history, and that's also something that brought me here. I liked the most socializing with people, and I liked our schedule because we had a lot of time to work, but also a lot of time to explore Maribor.
So a total of 30 students and 7 faculty members are working on a new challenge with extended realities, including augmented reality and virtual reality.
VR and AR, it's something new, something big that is going to revolutionize the education, tourism. That's why we wanted to show the youngsters how it is to use these technologies, to think about it, implementing them in different applications.
Students were actually working on redesigning a treasure hunt, which is an attraction for tourists in Maribor, to upgrade this treasure hunt using the extended reality option.
I think it's a great opportunity to learn from students, but also to share my knowledge with them. They incorporate physical game with those technologies and they create something innovating, something new, something more appealing to younger audience.
I've learned a lot of things this week, but I think the most valuable is how to sell the project to the consumer.
I learned to cooperate in a team and to use specific programs I already had experience with in the past and then implement them in different ways.
I learned the basics of creating an app and I loved it.
I opened my mind about the new technologies, for example, ER technologies, and how to use ChatGPT.
The most important thing is the one quote of Gandalf for Lord of the Rings: only you can choose what to do with the time is given to you.
You always need to do what you love. Don't underestimate your potential. You're doing just fine.